Hey, Mayberry Mini Truck YouTubers. Today is February the 26th, 2025, and I'm going to do a video of this Isuzu Elf, Subaru, Mitsubishi, and this has air conditioning. I believe the Subaru there has air conditioning, and I know there's three here that had air conditioning. When I walked by, I looked in. We'll see if they work and all. But if you're looking for some air conditioned trucks, I get that all the time. And this is Justin. And here's the VIN of this Elf, which this ain't something you see every day or something we get in. We only get in the nice ones now. And this one does have AC. So let's see how it cranks too. Okay. And let's try the air condition. The button was depressed. That's a good sign. Okay. And the air condition does work in here. And you can hear the compressor coming on and off. So we have good air condition, and this thing has 107,000 kilometers. So it is low miles. Got a drink holder here. This thing's ice cold air conditioned. So, and that is amazing. Power windows, power locks, and it's got locks on the windows here. It does not have power locks. Excuse me, it's got locks for the windows. Sorry about that. And let's put that there. Seat covers. This can mean two things: torn or very well taken care of. And in this case, very well taken care of. The seat looks brand new under there. And this one has plenty of adjustment. Plus, this one has an adjustable steering wheel. You can put that steering wheel where you want it. It's got, looks to be about 6 to 8 inches of room. It's got lock-in, lock-out hubs. And it's a piece of trash. We don't want that blowing around here on the ground. I'm going to throw it in the bed of the truck. Okay, the roof looks good on this truck. The front is flawless. It is dirty, and that is it. Okay, let's look down the side here. I don't see no dents in this bedside. See some scuffs here. Don't see no dents in the tailgate. The bed is in really good shape, and it has a wood here and on the side here as well as like a perform protector, and also it helped keep some stuff from sliding as well. So that is a good plus. Now I do see one dent here in that. We see one little ping dent here in the bedside. We got some customers here test driving. Right here's factory mat on it. Okay. This door is dent free. That is a good thing. This thing is real nice. Really nice. 4-wheel drive. It is a 5-speed. I didn't go over that a minute ago, but it is a 5-speed with a 4 high and 4 low. Next, we have a Subaru. Here is the VIN. Now, this is a 2-wheel drive automatic. Good looking front here. Look at the bumper, clear headlights. We got a bunch of dust on it where it's been sitting beside the driveway. This is a air condition. It is a automatic. It has 23,442 kilometers. I heard the compressor engage, and I can feel the air condition. So the air condition is working. Put it all the way over to cool. I can feel it, and it's getting really cold now. You can put these on the heat over here. You can still feel air until the truck gets good and warm as well. But when this thing gets hot, the heat will run you out of here. They have a heater like you wouldn't believe. And when the air conditioner works, it works good too. This one has no seat tears. Man, the passenger side seat looks good too. We got a bottle of something back here. Not sure what that is. Good looking dash as well. Let me cut this back off. Excuse me. The frame on this truck looks really good. Good looking tires. No dents. The exhaust looks good. Now we do have a scratch here in the bedside. It's like a crease, but it's not really noticeable. But I do see that. Clear vent shades. The bed is in really good shape. It is a 4-washer truck. So that says a lot. Really good looking Subaru here. 2-wheel drive if you're looking for one. And air conditioned. This seat over here is perfect. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is a agriculture edition. The roof is in really good shape. The front here is dent free. Now we have a spot here that's where something has dinged it, scratched the paint off. So we got some surface rust there. And this one here is air conditioned. This is a air conditioned Alright, the air condition just kicked on. And this is a 5-speed with 57,986 kilometers, and the air is working. So the air condition's working good. And good looking door panel. The seat here is in good shape. No tears at all on the seat. Excuse me. The bed in this one is phenomenal. And guess what, guys? It is a 4-washer truck. The rubber around there in really good shape. The bedside here is dent free. The frame looks good. Good looking wheels. We do have a sticker here on the tailgate. We have no dents in the passenger door. No dents in the passenger side at all. Good looking dash. We have some Japanese receipts in here. So, but this seat here is a good looking seat. We got, looks like M&Ms and all kinds of trash and goodies back there. So next we have a agriculture Mitsubishi. And that Subaru there that we just left is close to a unicorn, but I'm going to call it a unicorn wannabe. This is Mitsubishi here. We have a touch of surface rust there. And it'll probably, a lot of it will clean up but it looks like rust stain on it when we clean it up. Okay, we have a little nick right there. We got chrome vent shade. We got a good looking door panel. Good looking seat. Now this is 4-wheel drive. 5-speed with the high and low. 35,847 kilometers on it. So it's got a cup holder here. It's got some storage spaces in here. The seat just forward and back. It's got a lot of room in here. This is the new body style Mitsubishi. And the driver's side bed panel is dent free. The bed is in really good shape, just dirty. The tailgate looks good. The passenger side bed panel is good, no dents in it. We have a really good looking set of tires on this rig here. We got some rope here, and we got some seat cushions in the floor. They're protecting their seats, which means a lot. And the headlight is clear on this one. The bumper looks good. So, it's a good looking truck here. Next, let's go to this Mitsubishi. Okay. This is the VIN on this one. Alright. Let's go around the roof. Look here at the front of the truck. The clear headlights. The front bumper looks good. See here we got a little spot there where the bumper is rubbed up on it. And we got some customers leaving. This one also has some really good looking wheels and tires. And this is a special edition one. And you can see the trim around here, the toolbox. And this one has AC as well. Okay, as the button pushes in this one, and it is depressed. Now let's see, get it on cool, get it on my face, and the air condition is working in this one. And this one has a big mirror up here as well with a compass right here. You're never lost. 5-speed high and low, 4-wheel drive with AC. So we have 2 4-wheel drive Mitsubishis here. Back to back, new body style. Excuse me. This pollen is getting bad out here. Wow, look at the bed. This truck looks new. Tailgate is in good shape. This side is got a dent here, and here's where the inspector broke the door handle. But the door's locked, so in here, see, it covers your battery cover and all. There, good looking truck. Got a dent here, that little spot there, and that is it. Good clear headlights. Very good looking Mitsubishi with air conditioning. Here's another one with some Bridgestone grippers and some good tires there, and nice Mitsubishi. Here's a super nice Subaru air conditioned automatic, and this is a nice Subaru 5-speed. No, this is the 2-wheel drive automatic AC, and that is the 5-speed 4-wheel drive AC there. And the Isuzu Elf with air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, 4 high and 4 low. thank you all for watching. And if you have any questions about these and want a price, give us a call, 336-970-3885, or email us, Mayberry Mini Truck Sales, and you can go on our website. Now, it'll be a while for these to make it to our website because they have to be serviced, but a lot of these probably won't make it to our website. So, thank y'all for watching.